If you are a business owner or someone who is working into marketing, I have 9 such productivity tools for you which will not just save your time but save you on cost as well. Are you someone who is not able to focus? Stuck between back-to-back meetings, stuck between coordination and interviews only, and not able to do the right work? I have a tool for you which is called ReclaimAI. So this tool not just aligns your activities and tasks with Google Calendar but also helps you to take smaller breaks in between so that you are more productive and efficient during the day. So as a professional, I always had this problem that whenever I came across any article or any content, any video that I have to read or watch later, or any kind of content piece that I have to consume. But the problem is that I have to save them somewhere and then I have to go back to them. And a lot of times I tend to miss them a lot. I tried all the possible ways, like bookmarking them, taking screenshots, or using some random apps to take the notes. But the problem is that I have to then go back and find that where I have stored it or where is it possible to find that particular piece of information. Then I got to know about this app called MyMind. This app is something which is working like a magic. What happens is that in this entire app I am able to save all the kind of information that I want to consume for later. So whether it is a piece of article or a bookmark or an image or maybe an inspiration that I'm looking to understand later, this app automatically organizes it for me. And it is so seamless that just by typing a keyword or a phrase or something which I can a little remember of the app, it helps me find it very efficiently. So this way I am able to organize all the content that I have saved for later to consume in a more efficient manner. But there is one more problem, that I am too much busy to go back to the content, to consume it. So then there is one more app that will help me to solve it. It is called Recast. Recast is an app that not just summarizes the content for me, but it explains it to me in a conversational manner. So let's say there is an article that I want to read, but the problem is that I don't have time for reading it dedicatedly. What I can do is I can use this app. अगर walk करने के लिए गया या फिर अगर मैं कुछ और काम कर रहा हूँ तो in form of conversation I will get to understand that what this article is all about and what the user is trying to say in this article. As a marketeer or a business owner, we have faced a problem which is very common. Let's say we have created a long format video and we want short format videos out of it. The one option that we have currently in the scenario is that we reach out to an agency which will help us to do this. But the problem is that the agency will charge us good commercials, and second thing is that it will take a lot of time. So to solve this, I found out an app which is really useful to me. It is called Opus Clips. So what does this app do is I just have to insert my content into this, and this app will automatically, basis the kind of interaction which is happening in the video, it automatically pulls out the hooks, the highlight and the most engaging part to create a video for me, which will not just save me on cost, will also help me to get the best engagement out of the content that I'm creating. So by using this app, I'm getting 3 advantages. Number 1 is I'm saving on cost, I'm saving on time, and I am getting best engagements from the channel where I have to upload those videos. While I'm creating this video, I want to share something with you, which is very efficient in the entire process. Alex is an app which is helping me to solve a lot of problems. So let's say if there is a writing task that I have to complete, or whether it is proofreading, whether it is collaborating with the team and getting the content done, or anything of such sort, Alex is helping me in a very efficient manner. The best part of it is that it works just like a Google Doc which can be shared. But there is a drawback of Alex as well, that when I have to create content for some specific channels or specific tools, so let's say if the entire script I have created is for YouTube, but the problem is that I want to pull out content for my specific other channels, like let's say Instagram if I have to post the content, or LinkedIn for that matter. The problem is then I have to rework on the script again. So but there is a tool which solves it for me as well. So Typeshare basically helps me with the collaboration as well as creating specific content for specific channels. If I talk about writing and collaborating, Alex is one of the best tools that I've came across. But when it comes to workflow, Typeshare is something which is doing the work 10x times better than the other tools. There is one more problem that I have seen as a very common thing. that there are a lot of tasks which are there, and the team is already collaborating and working on those tasks, but the problem is that the prioritization of those tasks and getting the efficient results out of those tasks is something which turns out to be a problem. So there is a tool which can help us in this. It is called Taskade. Taskade is a tool which helps us to align the entire work process and project management in a very efficient manner. And the best part of it is that it integrates with our existing work process or workflow or any platform that we are using. So when we integrate Taskade with our work process, it automatically identifies and prioritizes things so that every task or every activity is done in a more efficient manner. The next tool about which I want to talk is something which is everyone's problem. It is rebuilding or redesigning the website. So let's say if I have to redesign or rebuild a website, it will take a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of debate that which kind of website will work better for me. Will it be a single page, multi-page website, something which is according to me the best working, or I have to then wait for the analytics to come in and understand that which kind of website or landing pages are working better for me. But not to worry, there is a tool which will help us to solve this. It is called Durable. So Durable is a AI tool which can help us to create a website in less than a minute, and not just creating the website, but will also help us to identify that which kind of websites work more better or more efficient as per the user requirement or the user engagement. And now I want to talk about my favorite tool, which is Notion. So Notion is a note-taking app, and it is not just a note-taking app, it is something which has been taken to a next level because it has AI integrated within it. So whether it is collaborating with a team, whether it is creating a table, a content calendar, or anything of such sort, Notion is the way to go. Whether you have written 2 lines and you want to extend the content, whether you want to make it crisper, whether you want to make it shorter, whether you want to brainstorm more ideas or anything like that, Notion is the way to go. So if you found this video informational and useful, do share it with someone who needs such tools for their day-to-day efficiency improvement.